please help me in welcoming Amy Kiwanuka, Director of Direct Marketing, and Krista Larson, Direct Marketing Strategy Director.
Hi everyone, I'm Krista Larson, Director of Direct Marketing Strategy at MGM Resorts. I have been with the company for over 12 years. I focus on promotional strategies for gaming campaigns in the Las Vegas market and how best to communicate those offers to our customers. As a second-time attendee and first-time presenter at Movable Inc. Think Summit, I could not be more excited to present on day 2 with my colleague, Amy.
Hi, I'm Amy Kiwanuka. I'm the Director of Direct Marketing Operations, and I have been at MGM Resorts for 15 years. And for the past 10 years, I have been specializing in marketing strategy and operations, and my team mostly executes Krista's offers across web and email, mostly email, and we also do a little bit of direct mail. So we want to start off with basically a little fun fact about us. We've both lived in Las Vegas for more than 30 years. So we wanted to talk about our first concert in Las Vegas. My first concert was in sync at the, yes, amazing, at the Grand Garden Arena in 2001.
And then here's where it gets interesting. My first concert was Britney Spears at the exact same venue, MGM Grand Garden Arena, just 1 year earlier in 2000. So we had 2 defining acts of the early 2000s pop eras, same iconic arena, MGM Grand Garden Arena, and now here we are, decades later, as Vegas marketing veterans of MGM. So some things are just meant to be.
Over the next 20 minutes, we're going to take you behind the scenes of Las Vegas hospitality marketing. We're going to explore our loyalty program strategy and demonstrate how we leverage Movable Link technology to create personalized experiences that drive measurable engagement and revenue growth. Our goal is to share actionable insights and proven strategies that you can adapt and implement with your own teams.
So first, we want to start off with a poll to test your knowledge of MGM Resorts properties. So when I say each number, please clap for the property that you don't think is owned by MGM Resorts. So number 1, clap if you don't think it's MGM Resorts. Number 2. Number 3. Okay. The answer is 1. The first property is not MGM Resorts, so the majority of the room was correct. But I'd like to share a couple of fun facts about the 2 properties of ours. The second property here is New York, New York, which boasts a replica of the New York Harbor, Statue of Liberty, Manhattan buildings, as well as the Big Apple roller coaster. That's a hypercoaster with a taxi cab themed train and features a Heartline twist. And then our third property is Bellagio, which features a couple incredible free experiences. First, the Conservatory and Botanical Gardens, the design of which is updated with each season. Also, the Fountains of Bellagio, which is a famous water show where the fountains perform choreographed dances to music and lights, and shows run every 15 to 30 minutes daily. Okay, we have one more poll. So what is the MGM Rewards mascot? So please clap for number 1. No? Oh. Number 2? Number 3? Good job. The third mascot is ours. It's Leo the Lion, and we actually share the same mascot as our former sister company, MGM Studios. Okay, now let's get down to business. So, the MGM brand, we have destinations around the globe as well as an online gaming presence. But today we're going to focus on our brick and mortar establishments. So MGM Resorts has 20 domestic properties. We have properties in the US within Nevada, Michigan, Mississippi, DC, Massachusetts, New York, and New Jersey.
Our teams primarily focus on the Las Vegas portfolio, where we have 13 world-class properties with 37,000 hotel rooms. And we own and operate some of the most recognizable destinations on Las Vegas, including Bellagio at the north side of the Strip, all the way down to Mandalay Bay at the south side. And then on the other side, we also have MGM Grand serving as our flagship property. Our entertainment infrastructure includes 3 major arenas within walking distance where you can see major touring concerts, NHL, NFL, WNBA, UFC, anything you can think of. The MGM Resorts experience extends far beyond accommodations and entertainment. We have 200 restaurants, from celebrity chef establishments all the way to casual dining. And on top of the major arenas, we also have 25 resident headliners and production shows. This integrated approach creates a complete Las Vegas experience where guests can stay, dine, and be entertained without ever leaving the network of our properties. Check out this video showcasing the incredible entertainment that Las Vegas has to offer.
So that video is a great introduction to transition into a brief overview of the MGM Rewards loyalty program. When guests become MGM Rewards members through our loyalty program, they can earn loyalty currencies on virtually all kinds of spend, from hotel stays to dining, spa, entertainment, retail, and gaming, of course. All this eligible spend earns tier credits, which can elevate a guest tier status. We have 5 different tiers, ranging from the Blue Sapphire to the exclusive Noir and Black. With each tier, our members can achieve an exciting array of exclusive perks and benefits. Eligible gaming activity can also qualify guests for offers that range from exclusive rate discounts to complimentary hotel stays, food and beverage offers, and even free play, which can be redeemed at most slot machines. These benefits are key motivators for a loyal database. So, now that we understand the basics of MGM Rewards, let's talk about our collaboration with Movable Inc. I'd like to take a quick poll with a show of hands if anyone has used Movable Inc.'s live pricing tool. All right, well, we're excited to share this one use case with you all. Here's one of our promotional emails prior to Movable Inc. While this offer promotes a complimentary stay, we found a couple challenges in resonating with our luxury gaming audience. As we've all learned from Shark Tank, a successful product solves a real problem. And our problem, we wanted to make the user experience within email a bit easier and accessible for guests planning their next Vegas vacation. So guests don't have to do multiple clicks, find their login and password, log into their accounts online just to see the room availability and dynamic pricing that fluctuates in real time. We wanted to highlight guests' personalized special room rates or even complimentary room availability directly through our emails. This created an opportunity for leveraging Movable Inc.'s live pricing tool. So, this is a sample rendering, but this Mandalay Bay email illustrates the work we've executed with Movable Inc.'s live pricing tool. Not only are we able to display the dynamic pricing personalized for each qualifying customer at the moment of open, we can also promote specific key travel months based on business demands. This dynamically mirrors what the guests would see if they log onto the website directly in the email without any of the clunkiness of logging in. This simplified the customer journey and customer experience tailored to guests' personalized rates. We've continued to iterate and improve upon this campaign as well, with successful A/B tests on optimizations and visual enhancements, which include the following. We first started with 1 calendar month and expanded to displaying to 2 calendar months. We've also recently implemented strike-through pricing to emphasize the value of booking directly with us. Color coding comp versus cash pricing to ultimately highlight where we want guests to stay while giving the guests the most optimal real-time rates in a visually simplistic manner. Now we've scaled this across campaigns for 12 of our Las Vegas destinations. We execute this on a monthly basis to ensure that the properly qualified users are receiving this. So we'll share how these results are paying off shortly, but Amy is going to share how we're able to accomplish this.
We developed this seamless email experience that delivers personalized real-time pricing directly to members' inboxes through our strategic partnerships and advanced technology. Previously, campaigns like this, because we did try before, would take us about 2 weeks, a lot of Excel spreadsheets, and then by the time we went to launch, the pricing would be outdated. So, and like Krista said, these campaigns are monthly, and they were so time intensive that we ended up just not being able to use pricing at all. Through partnering with Movable Inc., we transformed our approach entirely. We combined their dynamic content capabilities with our booking services team's expertise to build this integration. We leveraged our web API data source and image personalization to embed the live pricing into our familiar web calendar format within the emails. No login required. Then if the members return to their inboxes every time they return the pricing updates. To measure the impact of this, we established an A/B framework where we compared the dynamic live pricing to our old static BAU emails. This approach delivered measurable improvements across key metrics.
So finally, let's share our results. Movable Inc.'s live pricing tool has provided MGM Resorts with a solution that ensures our customers experience a real-time, personalized, and contextually relevant creative at the moment of engagement. We've leveraged Movable Inc. technology to seamlessly integrate with this campaign to see a significant performance lift and enhanced engagement metrics. This has improved overall customer experience, boosted engagement, and increased trips for future months by promoting members with one-to-one relevant pricing information. Now, we've been running this live pricing calendar for over a year, and the results continue to show a significant lift in response rate and click-through. We've seen a 13% lift in click-through. We've seen a 5% response rate lift in all months in the travel window, and a 12% lift in response rate in the 2 months featured within the dynamic pricing calendar.
Beyond implementing live pricing capabilities, we've also been testing Movable Inc.'s interactive features to identify high-impact tactics that deliver measurable results. The scratch-off interactive feature emerged as a breakthrough performer during our semi-annual sale. We collaborate closely with revenue management and our brand teams to execute multi-channel promotional campaigns targeting upcoming week travel periods. We are continuously exploring new engagement tactics to maximize performance during these critical sale windows. We use the same A/B testing methodology and validated the significant impact of interactive elements. We compared the static discount reveal against the interactive scratch-off experience, where customers actively engaged by clicking and scratching to reveal both the room and the food and beverage offers. The gamified scratch and reveal version delivered a 200% increase in click-through rates compared to the static version, demonstrating how simple interactive elements can dramatically boost customer engagement. Then we want to talk a little bit about what's next for us. So we're working on scaling personalized recommendations. We're currently deploying machine learning models that analyze first-party customer data and predict show and experience booking preferences across web and app platforms. Our challenge lies in scaling the same recommendations across email campaigns without manual content recreation. Through our partnership with Movable Inc., we're developing API-driven recommendation blocks that we can automatically populate with personalized content, creating a scalable solution where any email campaign can leverage the same machine learning predictions. This transformation turns our email communications from static promotional content into dynamic trip planning experiences that can surface relevant entertainment that encourages customers to book a trip to Las Vegas.
All right, so to wrap up, these examples of live pricing, image personalization, and gamification we've discussed today represent how we were able to achieve key goals for our teams: simplify processes, increase revenue, and drive conversion.
We hope that you've gained valuable insights that you can adapt and implement with your own teams. If you have any questions about our strategies, the tech implementation, or if you want to discuss how these approaches might work in your specific context, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.
Thank you.